So what I want to do is I want to replicate how I can do something similar to this, where you could see there's total number, you can see there's two graphs, but based on what I select, I have the ability to see that data change and alter. So how do I make that work? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to insert a drop-down list. And I'm just going to plop that right up here. And it's pulling automatically from my fields that are available. And what best describes you? That's actually the one I want. If it wasn't, I can come in here and I can replace this, and you'll notice that it changes. And so I'm going to change that back. And you'll see that there is a record count. Um, I believe that. So if I go into view just real quick and I click down here, you're going to see those are my options there, which is great. Record count, maybe I don't want that there. Maybe I want a pound sign. And again, I have the ability to do some indicating which ones I want to see. So if I can come here and I can go to styles, maybe I want to change the text to a orange, and maybe I want the background to be white. And so you can see you can make changes, customize, and definitely spend the time in here to make your alterations. If I come back to data instead of style, what best describes you? Maybe I want to edit the actual appearance of that. And so I'll just say group. So I haven't changed the title in my spreadsheet called group because that still is here. Instead, what I'm making available for others to see, I'm altering the word group. Again, I'm not changing it here. I'm just changing to what it's being called. And record count, I think we'll just do like the pound sign there. And so again, if we view this, you're going to see that that's a number. So just some small little piece there. But I want to keep going. So I want to insert a scorecard. So I believe scorecard is here. And maybe I want to pop that there. And so record count 20, that is the total number. And that will fluctuate based on what's being pulled or selected. Again, I can change this and I can say number of um, members, something like that. If I go to style, I can change the font. I can maybe change the center, the color, etc. I'm going to keep moving on here. I want to insert a graph. And so I'm going to choose, let's see, insert a column chart. Click here. And let's see, what did it pull in? It pulled in what best describes you. So maybe I don't want that. And instead, I want to select this one. Which social media would you prefer to use if you had to pick one? And so again, I can customize the style of this. And so I can, choose to change the layout. Maybe I want to expand this a little bit here. And um, I can change how it's arranged, what I want to show, what I don't want to show, all in style. I'll do one more just so that you can see. Again, I'm going to say insert. I'm going to choose a pie chart just for the sake of it. And then let's see. Let's go. How old were you when you first started using social media? I'll drag that in. And there is our pie chart. I can go to style and then I can customize that as well. So what should happen, and I know I've done this very quickly, I just don't want to waste your precious time here. If I come down to the drop down and I select freshman only, you're going to see that this changed. So this is a total of 7 people and their responses in both scenarios. If I select sophomores as well, you're going to see we're now at 11, and these graphs have also changed. So really a great way of working with data instead of just seeing screenshots.